Good morning, Connie and Charlie. We're standing outside your new home, and I'm so excited to show you the progress of the neighborhood and the updates of what's going on inside. It's looking so dreamy, so let's get started. Now, even though the grout work isn't finished on this tile, you can see what the final pattern is going to look like in all the colors, and it pairs absolutely beautiful with all the other finishes in this house, and it's going to look amazing as a finished product. So I know how excited you are to use this outdoor space because I know how much you love entertaining outdoors. So this covered space is looking amazing, and the landscaping in the backyard is looking even better. I know you'll remember kind of the dirt patch that it was before. They've got grass and the plants are planted and the trees, and the fence is looking great as well. I trust this was a helpful progress video for you to see where things are at in the home and the neighborhood. It is looking so beautiful, and it's going to be absolutely perfect when you're here in December. Talk with you soon.